Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Vermont's UST data. So I wanted to start with this blog post on Convenience Talk, and what it has is the links to all the underground storage databases. And let me go down to Vermont. So if you click on Vermont, you get to this UST site. And you have a couple options. You can either actually already performed a search here. I just literally hit search, so it showed 1,000 results. And then you can export the results, but I actually went to here, to database download, and I downloaded the facilities database and opened it up in Google Docs. And then you get some great information here. You have the owner, you have the facility, you have the owner. If you drill over to the right-hand side, there you go. You have the owner person, an actual contact. And one of the things I like about this too is that you have the type of facility. I've actually put in a filter, which I created from up here. And so I have retail and service stations that are picked. And of course I have active records over here that are also picked. And so realistically you have a great list here to start from in terms of knowing who the owner is, potentially how many sites they have, and I just think it's a great database or a great Excel sheet. That's it for Vermont. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.